Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. I know it's been a very long time since we talk, but today I would love to continue with our lesson. And yes, today you are going to be referring to your textbook for this particular lesson. And you can go ahead and flip to page number 13 if you want. But you can also wait as we go along with the lesson. Okay, so hai semua, selamat datang ke kelas bahasa Inggeris kita. Kita akan pakai buku teks hari ni. Sama-sama kita belajar muka surat 13. Right, now let's check out this slide. Musical instruments. Who knows what it means by musical instruments? Apa itu musical instruments? A musical instrument is a device created or adapted to make musical sounds. So you take any device, you can create one or you can adapt one to make musical sounds. Dia cakap musical instrument ni ialah alat muzik. You boleh ambil apa-apa saja dan jadikannya alat muzik atau buat guna barang tersebut untuk hasilkan bunyi. Okay, so anything basically can be a musical instrument as long as you produce sounds that can be played musically, if that makes sense. So apa-apa pun boleh jadi alat muzik. Okay. Now, here are some examples of musical instruments that I really want to show you because it's so adorable. As you can see in the first picture right here, we have a hippopotamus. Okay, it is playing a cello. Okay, kat sini kamu nampak beberapa contoh peralatan muzik. Yang pertama ada hippopotamus, dia main cello. Okay, the second picture, as you can see, it's a lion. Okay, a very cute lion. He's playing the drum. Okay, singa ni main drum. And then here we have a very sophisticated looking giraffe playing the saxophone. Zirafah ni main saxophone. And here we have a buffalo playing the trumpet. Okay, ada seekor kerbau sedang bermain trumpet. Okay, and at the bottom here you can see a rabbit and a crocodile. Now, I would love for you to share with me some of the musical instruments that you know, okay? Teacher nak minta kamu share dengan teacher beberapa alat muzik yang kamu tahu, okay? You can write this in your book, reading comprehension book, examples of musical instruments. Kamu tulis ni. Kemudian, kamu tulis number 1. Kamu nak letak apa? Cello ke, drum ke, saxophone ke, trumpet ke. You can also go ahead and write any other musical instruments that you know. Okay, kamu buat aktiviti pemanas ni, kamu tulis tajuk examples of musical instruments dan tuliskan senarai alat-alat muzik yang kamu tahu. Okay, boleh jadi yang teacher bagi contoh kat sini, boleh juga jadi contoh yang daripada kamu sendiri yang kamu dah tahu alat muzik tu. Okay, alright, let's move on to the next slide. Activity 1. Refer to your textbook, page 13 for this part of the lesson. Okay, tengok buku teks, muka surat 13, buku teks Pupils 2. Okay, untuk activity 1, what you are going to do is, you will copy the words in the blue box. Kamu akan salin perkataan dalam kotak warna biru dekat bahagian atas sekali, activity 1. Okay, listen and repeat the words in the box. Kamu akan dengar dan kamu perlu ulang perkataan-perkataan yang ada dalam kotak ni. Teacher akan share audio dalam group WhatsApp yang kamu boleh dengar dan ulang sama-sama sampai kamu dengar tu, okay? You will be shared an audio in the WhatsApp group and you can also repeat the words as you listen to the audio, okay? It is very important that you know the pronunciation, the correct pronunciation of the words in this box, alright? Let me know if you cannot find the audio, yeah? I'll forward it to you. Kalau tak jumpa audio tu, just bagi tahu teacher akan forward. Okay, do not ask anything in the group, but ask me personally, okay? Tanya teacher secara personal, jangan tanya dalam group. Alright, number 2, refer to your textbook again, page 13. Okay, untuk aktiviti 2 pula, apa yang kamu kena buat? Okay, at the bottom or below the blue box just now, you can see this picture right here. Okay, bawah kotak biru tadi kamu boleh nampak gambar ni kan? Okay, what do you need to do is, number one, copy the questions in the picture into your book. Okay, kamu tengok gambar-gambar ni, dia ada soalan dekat atas ni. Tengok betul-betul. They've got talent. Meet the contestants of tonight's show. Read their introductions. Okay, ini ialah tajuk dia. Kamu perlu salin. And then here are the questions. There are 6 questions. Number one, were Kelly and Jamie and we blank together. Okay, so kamu salin soalan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dan 6. So you will copy all of these questions in your book and then fill in the blanks. Okay, kamu akan salin ini dan juga isi tempat kosong. Where can you obtain the answers? Where can you get the answers? Kat mana nak dapat jawapan? From the previous activity, daripada aktiviti pertama tadi yang kamu buat. Dalam kotak tu ada beberapa perkataan and you can use those words to answer these questions. Okay? Or you can go ahead and listen to the audio shared in the WhatsApp group and try to fill in the blanks. Okay? Teacher akan bagi juga audio untuk part ni dalam group WhatsApp. Kamu boleh dengar and kamu boleh salin, tulis terus jawapan dia. A great student will try first. Okay? Kalau kamu betul-betul nak belajar, kamu akan cuba dengar dulu, tulis. Or you can also go ahead and try and guess it first. Based on the word pool in the first activity. Okay, salin semua 6 questions in your book and complete it. Now, next is the third section of this presentation, activity 4 and 5. If you look at your book, you'll see why I separated these two and collected in one section. Okay, untuk aktiviti 4 dan 5, kamu masih lagi tengok buku teks, muka surat 13. Dia senang untuk gabung je benda ni, okay? So, what you will do is, you will copy all of the questions in activity 5. Okay, you'll copy these sentences. Alright, you'll copy them in your book and then you will listen to an audio provided in the WhatsApp group. So there are 3 different audios provided for you. Okay, so kamu akan salin dulu ayat-ayat ni. Kemudian kamu akan dengar audio ni. Lepas tu nak kena buat apa? And then you will write whether these sentences are true or false. Kamu akan tulis sama ada ayat-ayat ni true ke false. Okay, dia betul ke salah. For example, number 1, the first contestant has got a strong voice. Peserta pertama ada suara yang kuat. Okay, so kamu akan dengar daripada audio yang teacher bagi tu dalam group WhatsApp dan kamu tulis dekat tepi dia, true ke false. Okay, if it is true, you only need to write true. But if it is false, you'll have to write false and then you'll have to correct the false sentences. Okay, kalau jawapan kamu true, kamu tulis true sahaja. Tapi kalau jawapan kamu false, kamu kena tulis false dan betulkan ayat yang salah itu. So for example, the first contestant has got a strong voice. Katakanlah, let's say that this sentence is wrong. It's false. So what you'll have to do is write false and then correct it. The first contestant does not have a strong voice. Okay, kamu tulis macam tu. So provide the correct sentence for the wrong ones. Okay, and that is it for your task for this week. I bet it is pretty simple and best of luck everyone. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me through WhatsApp and or Telegram. Thank you. Kalau ada soalan boleh tanya teacher dekat WhatsApp atau Telegram ya. Okay, enjoy. Have fun.